I came to bring this to you.
Oh, good.
So check it out.
Who's it for?
It's for you. Just slide that ribbon out.
Open it?
Yeah, go ahead, open. Just be careful. Yeah, dig your sandals there.
What? Cool.
Look at that.
I stand in the grass, you can't see my feet.
Part of your camel.
Yep.
Newegg.
Pull.
Yeah, easy open tabs right there. Look at that.
And the winner is...
What do you think is in there, man?
Shut up. That is not real.
That's not real.
I can't. Are they really this heavy?
Oh yeah. Why don't you show us what you got there?
3080 Ti?
TI, that's right. So you're actually one of the first people to have this because like nobody can get this card. So
That's right.
congrats on that.
Thank you very much. How did you get this?
So I got this from Newegg, thanks to the Newegg Shuffle. All those times we got
You
you were not selected. You were not selected.
every day not selected.
Every day not until this past Saturday.
Shut
Got
up.
selected. Got
Wait,
this 3080 Ti
They
right
do it on
here.
the weekends too?
They do it on Saturdays, everybody. So there's a tip for you. If you guys
Now I
have not
know.
got selected Saturday, you go ahead and enter in. This is not any ordinary 3080 Ti. This is the Aorus Master. You see on the front
I
here.
do see it.
So,
Wow.
all right. So you excited about it?
I'm extremely excited.
So what games are you gonna play with it? Don't say Valheim.
Minecraft, of course.
Oh my god, Valheim. I was about to say.
Minecraft 4K edition.
No,
right?
but seriously, what games?
Well, obviously, this little game you might have heard of is called Star Citizen.
You mean that game that's never gonna come out?
It will come out 2087.
How many years has it been since they announced it?
Couple.
A
2012.
couple.
2012. What is that, like 10 years? Almost 9 years. Right?
All right, so there you go. Hey, I want to see a video or at least a picture of that card in your
I
system.
will. I did not know it was this heavy.
Yeah, this is a big boy, so it actually needs 3 power connections in there. So that's good. You have that 750 watt power
I do,
supply.
I do. Is that going to be enough for it?
Yep, you just need to connect 3
Wow.
plugs, and they all have to be connected from the power supply. Don't connect the daisy chain like I did.
Wait, this past Saturday and you already got it?
Yep. Thank you,
Man, that's
Newegg.
quick. Wow, thank you so much.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right. There you go.
You know, the search is over.
Yep.
I can quit all my Twitch streams and everything else that I was doing.
Right. Shout out to Falco Drin helping everybody out.
Right,
That's
thank you.
right.
That's true.
Falco.
Yes. I might still keep him on, just, you know, give him support, but damn. Wow.
Yeah.
What a trip trying to find this.